There's always a story that would make you smile.
Real people, real moments, and good vibes lang. All in one show.
Sa sobrang saya ng kwento, gusto mo rin ibalita sa iba. Siyempre, para lahat, masaya.
We share stories that lift hearts.
Yung magbibigay saya, even on tough days.
Kasi lahat tayo deserve maging
Uplifted!
Back to back, Girl Power, ang kwentong hatid ko sa inyo. Dalawang kababaihan na pinatunayan na walang imposible sa pusong may pangarap.
My name is Jessica Sanchez. I'm 29 years old and I sing. And I was actually on the very first season of America's Got Talent.
20 taon matapos ang kanyang unang pagsabak sa America's Got Talent, muling pinatunayan ng Pinoy Pride na si Jessica Sanchez na deserve niya ang worldwide stage. Naging emosyonal na pagbabalik ng soon-to-be mom dahil nakatanggap siya ng Golden Buzzer mula kay Judge Sofia Vergara. Mula sa pagiging semi-finalist ng AGT Season 1 hanggang sa pagiging Golden Peak ng Season 20, dala ni Jessica Sanchez ang kwento ng determinasyon para matupad ang mga pangarap. Pinoy Pride din naman na ang pinag-uusapan, kilalanin naman natin ang isang Tomasian Senior High School achiever na si Tasha Maagay. Isang grade 12 STEM student mula sa Cagayan, sumabak siya sa prestigyosong astronaut training program ng NASA. Nagpakitang gilas si Tasha at nagwagi ng first place sa Martian Habitat Challenge at Robotics Cryogenic Challenge. At hindi lang yan, nanalo rin siya ng silver medal sa Space Center University at naging second placer sa Lunar Habitat Challenge at Rocketry Endothermic Challenge. Sa napakamurang edad, isa kang inspirasyon sa bawat batang nangangarap ng malawak at nagsisikap ng mabuti.
Thank you, CJ! Nakaka-proud naman yung kwento mo. From young achievers to seasoned dreamers, here are stories of determination and success. At the age of 57, isang bagong simula ang isinulat ni Bibigyan ng Hari bilang summa cum laude sa UCLA. Now with her second degree in Bachelor of Science in Entertainment Business, Bibigyan ng Hari shared that matagal na niyang pinapangarap na maging isang creative producer and director.
I want to be a creative producer and a creative director, and also that was the reason why I went back to school kasi part yun yung sinasabi kong mahirap sa transition because when I started transitioning, yung potential ni Rostom wala na lahat yun.
Right.
Hindi lang si Bibigyan ng Hari ang nagpapatunay na wala sa edad ang pagkakaroon ng college degree. Sa edad na 49, nakapagtapos rin ng kolehiyo ang security guard ng University of Caloocan City o UCC na si Julian Avila. Hindi raw biro ang pinagdaanan niya bago makamit ang kursong Bachelor of Public Administration Evening Classes for Government Employees. Bilang isang ama with a family of 4, mas inuna niya ang kanyang pamilya instead of his dreams. Truly, it's never too late for someone to achieve their dream. And speaking of following their dreams, ang co-host natin si Faith is taking another leap in her career.
Kaya salamat, Faith. Kahit sa mixing panahon, nakasama ka namin dito sa Uplifted. And masayang-masaya kami sa bagong tatahaking ng Dex.
I'd like to thank the Uplifted, Happy TV, 90 Degrees North, Creatives, family. All this experience with you guys has been such a wonderful thing to me. Sobrang i-cherish ko sa heart ko lahat ng mga learnings and lahat ng mga memories. Ayan, napapaisip tuloy ako. Namimiss ko kayo ngayon pa lang. Pero that's okay because we will always have stories that will make us smile, yung magbibigay saya, even on on some days. Dahil lahat tayo deserve maging uplifted! There's always a story that would make you smile.
Real people, real moments, and good vibes lang. All in one show.
Sa sobrang ganda ng kwento, gusto mo nang ikwento sa iba. Para lahat, masaya.
We share stories that lift hearts.
Yung magbibigay saya, even on tough day.
Kasi lahat tayo deserve maging uplifted!